methods of charging the objects: conduction, induction, friction. Now we will discuss briefly about the conduction. In conduction, how can we charge the one object with the help of other charge object? So suppose I have shown here, we have to understand it in some steps. Suppose there is a object A which is positively charged, and if you look at the object B, I can give it the name object B. Suppose this is the object B which is neutral, okay, which is not charged. Now if I want to make it charge with the help of this charge, this is charge object, this is uncharged or not charged. So how can I charge this neutral object also with the help of this one? So this, in conduction, we have to we have to bring the B in contact of in contact of object A. So what will happen when these two objects will come into the contact? You can see that because the A object is positively charged, because it was already positively charged, so some of the electrons, because it has electrons and protons, because I have already mentioned when neutral means it has electrons negatively charged and protons means positive charge in equal number. Because of electrons always would like to go towards a positive charge, so that the some electrons, suppose I some of the electrons 2 3 5 4, if you can count, if you have time you can count this. If 1 2 3 4 5 I have tried to mention it, 8 pluses are there. So suppose there are some 2 3 4 electrons are going to be transferred from here. So what will happen now? If we separate now these two objects, first they were separated, it was neutral, it is charged, positively charged, we bring them in contact, and again if we separate, we will find that as much amount of positive charge was there on the object A. Now it is the less charge, but look at the B. What is the difference? Initially it was neutral, now it became the positively charged. So it's very simple to understand why it happened, how it happened. Because when we made their contact, जब हमने उन दोनों को contact में लाया, so B, some of the electrons from B flowed to A, so that in B the number of protons becomes greater than number of electrons, or as many electrons have gone there. Suppose there are 5 electrons have moved from B to A, so that the B is having 5 pluses, or you can say it is positively charged. So this is the first method in which we understand that how can a conduction, using the method of conduction, we can charge the objects. So here we have completed the charging the objects, which is in conduction method, which is also known the contact method. Initially two objects were separated, bring them contact, electrons will flow from